Oh, you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited because insert name here, they just sent me more stuff. Okay, I couldn't wait, so I already put the ponytail and already put the ponytail. Anyways, we're gonna put a wig for today. This is in here. The goodies are hidden in here. So excited about this. We're gonna put a wig for the first time in this video, so we're gonna check this. So if you want to see how I put this wig on my head, make sure to continue watching all the way to the end, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So let's get into it. Let me open it up. I like the packaging. It's a silk packaging on the inside, and the outside is just like a nice little tissue, which is like a nice different stuff. And then we've got the wig in here with some nets on here. And then there is this thing on the inside to protect the inside and keep the shape. You can see the shape of it. It's like a short type of wig. It's gonna look super cute on me. It's nice. There's like these long strands, and there's also like this darker strands in here. There's also a little bit of a lace at the front if you wanna like glue it to yourself if you want, but it's not like a full lace because, you know, like there's this thing that's coming at the front, and the lace is pretty transparent. If I compare it to my skin, it looks really natural. I looked at it before doing this video, by the way. I didn't put it on, but you know, it's cute. And then the line is not too thin, and it's not too straight either. You have like a bunch of hairs different places. Like it's not too straight where it's fake. It looks pretty natural. The hair is super silky smooth. And if it's like too shiny for you, like for me it's not too shiny. It looks absolutely stunning in my opinion. But you can also put baby powder. That's what I heard. There is the clip also at the back of it, so you can put it on pretty nicely. There's a little elastics. Anyways, girls, we have to keep putting this on. There's 2 wig caps that come in it, 2 beautiful wig caps, which I'm gonna undo my hair right now in a sec. I don't look like that, but you know, pretty boring. And I realize, honestly, I don't know, I just don't want anything to do with dyeing my hair anymore, like ever again, because it's such a waste of money and time. I feel like I can't switch it as often as I would want. So wigs are such a great alternative. I'm gonna be like a wig fan from now on. But yeah, so I'm separating my hair into 2 because I do need to put all of this into a wig cap. So we're gonna do that. And I have some really tiny elastics, so then I can put my hair into a little ponytail and then bring it back up like this, so it's like flat everywhere. I don't want to do braids everywhere because anyways my hair is really thin, so it's gonna move anyway, so I might as well not waste my time with that. First tiny ponytail, 1 and 2, and then the only braids I'm gonna do is this one, so then it can stay there. Let me just do that real quickly. So we're doing a little braid, and I'm doing the other one as well. So now what I'm gonna put is bobby pins to hold it in my head just for a split second. I could technically like not do this, but I really want to do this, so I'm like, how do I put this thing? We're putting the wig cap. I feel like I look so much like an alien right now. And we have the front lace, which I'm so scared of cutting, but I have to cut it. My cat is just so, she's like, ooh, what's going on? Taking this, I'm so scared of cutting this the wrong way. Pushing the hair back. I'm like, concentrate. Concentrate. Whew. Okay, I couldn't show you guys everything because I was really concentrating. I was like, so we're almost done. I just need to do this and go get a mirror because I cannot see anything. I just looked at the wing a little bit more in detail, and there is 2 clips at the front. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's 2 clips at the front here and 1 clip at the back. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna clip the back first and then bring the front and see what it does. So I don't know how to put this. Okay, this is the back. clipping it under. And then I'm bringing it forward. And I take the clip and I bring them under the wig cap. I kind of destroyed my makeup a bit here. Oh my god, I destroyed my makeup a bit. And then I'm brushing it through to get the nice effect. And I'm like, okay, place it properly, girl. And then we're gonna be ready to go. Woo! What do we think about this wig, you guys? It is so cute. Oh my god, it's so weird to see myself into some other hair. But you know what? I'm kind of living for it. Okay, so if I put it in the back, I want to see if I put it behind my ears. I know it's going to look weird. Okay, don't judge me. But like, I want to see. Like, you can see my natural hair a bit. But since my hair is pretty dark, it's really not that bad. And with that makeup look, OMG, I never have to do my hair again. I just put a wig on and that's it. What do you guys think about this wig, guys? How cute do I look? How different do I look? I might never go back again. I might never go back. I'm gonna wear ponytails, wigs, stuff like that. This is so cute. It's so, like, the fibers are also so soft. Like, it's not hard. It's not going to tangle easily. And if it does, like, you can just put a little bit of detangler and you just brush it through with a comb like this. I recommend you a brush like this because a brush like this that is really packed, it might kind of really tangle everything. So something more like this is really going to go well with your wig or your ponytail. Do you wear wigs? Like, tell me down below what you think about this wig from insert name here. It's so cute. Let me go check out the price real quick on their app. So the Natalia wig is $74. It is perfection. Like, you know, guys, when the strand was on like this, like bleaching the sides, instead of buying the bleach and doing it and damaging your hair, you just buy the wig. And that's what I noticed, okay? Because I did it once. I went to the salon. I wanted blonde. The guy messed up my hair. I thought it was nice until somebody else told me that it was absolutely horrible. Oh my god. And I'm not going to talk about the price, the money that I spent on that. It was, no, okay? But I realized if I bought wigs instead, I would have so many wigs right now. Like, I could go like pink, purple, blue, green, whatever I wanted. And this is so much more of an investment. You don't have like to clean them all the time. You don't have to buy a special shampoo for it. Like special things, special purple shampoo. You just put that on and that's it. Like, how long did that put me? Like 10 minutes? It took me like 10 minutes to put that on. It's insane. And I feel so crazy with this on. Woo! I feel like I'm going to start wearing wigs all the time. I already wear the ponytails pretty much all the time, especially like the new one. I'm excited to wear it. The alley one, I'm so excited to wear it. It's so light, looks so cute, comfortable. My hair looks nice with it on, so I feel like I'm gonna have to get used to it because I'm so not used to seeing myself with like different hair. It's so crazy. Maybe I should go to work with us. Maybe I should go see my family with the wig on. Be like, this is my new hair. What do you think? Anyway, I'm going crazy over here. And also, if you want to buy anything, if you want to have a 15% off your order with insert name here, of course, just use my code Roxanne, ROXANNE, to get 15% off at a checkout on your beautiful Natalia wig or your Ali ponytail or Jordan or Lola, whatever you want to buy. It's just amazing. I feel like it's like changing your hair every single day. It's like going to the salon every single day without going to the salon and spending a crazy amount of money. It is so nice, especially if it's like synthetic hairs. Khaleesi's here. If it's synthetic hairs, I mean, it's going to last you forever. It's going to hold, like the curve here is going to hold a long time. I've been wearing Lola and Jordan ponytails like almost every day, and their curve is still there, their curls is still there, the wave like this is still there. It's just so easy. You just have to brush it before you apply it and after you apply it. So I think she wants to say hi. What do you think about the wig? You not having it? Yes, no, maybe. Anyways, that is what it is on this wig. That's what it looks like from the back. I can't really turn around as much as I would want. But very nice. I love it. Thank you so much to insert name here for sending me this wig and the ponytail alley. I absolutely love it. I'm actually gonna post a little short or Instagram video how to put the ponytail. It's very easy, super easy peasy. Gonna show you guys. Anyways, I'm living with myself, so looks cute. It looks cute on my head. What do you think? Is it the color for me? Is it not the color for me? I would love to know. Tell me down below. I would love to know. Anyways, that's what it is. If you like this wig video, if you want me to do more wig videos, make sure to like the video, to tell me down below as well. I would love to like maybe try to glue a wig one day on my scalp to see what it would look like, if I can keep it for a couple of days. You know, I'm really going into more like the wigs, the ponytails, the extensions, because honestly there's no point. My hair doesn't curl, my hair doesn't do anything. I don't have the protein in my hair to hold a curl, so might as well just change my hair color as many times as I want and having as waves as many times as I want as well with a ponytail or a wig. So if you like this video and if you want to see more, make sure to like the video and to tell me down below if you have wigs at home, if you like wigs, if you think this wig looks good on me. I would love to know as well. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys!